In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude so well that it feels illegal. Now, if you haven't heard of Claude, it's basically ChatGPT's biggest competitor. And in my opinion, it's actually better at a lot of things, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. The difference between a beginner Claude user versus an intermediate one or even an advanced one is actually extremely big. And my whole goal with this video is to teach you exactly how you should be using Claude in order to take advantage of all of its functions. Claude has gotten so many new features recently, and I still see a lot of people using AI the old way or not even using it at all. So I promise you, if you watch this video from beginning to end, you'll leave a much better user. I use Claude every single day, so I'll show you guys all my tricks and exactly how I use it in order to make my life so much better. Seriously, Claude has helped me so much, and I really just hope that everyone can learn how to use it properly. So let's get started. So whether you're using Claude on your computer or your phone, the first thing you need to know is that it has 3 modes. It has chat mode for simple questions, it has Cowork mode for tasks, and it has code mode for coding different websites, applications, and things like that. Now in chat mode, you can ask it different questions like when was the Eiffel Tower created? Then it will think for a bit and try to reason through the answer, and then it will give you an answer. Now you can ask follow-up questions like what's it made of? It will think again and give you the answer to your questions. So chat mode is basically just for back and forth chats and asking the model different questions and getting answers for your questions relatively quickly. Now the next mode is Cowork. Now in Cowork mode, you can not only chat to the model, but actually do meaningful work. You can have it manage projects, answer emails, create different artifacts, check your Slack, and you can have it do a ton more things. Now real quick, when creating a new chat or Cowork session, you have your model selector right here. Now as you can see, we have Fable 5, Opus 4.8, Sonnet 5, and Haiku 4.5. We also have an effort level selector right here, and we also have more models right here. So as you can see, Haiku 4.5, I almost never use this unless it's for something super simple. It is the fastest model, which will give you the fastest answer, but you're sacrificing some of the response quality. Sonnet 5, as they say right here, is for most efficient everyday tasks. So if you're trying to write video scripts or even emails, you should use Sonnet 5. Now Opus 4.8 was previously the best model that Anthropic had, and it is really good at creating websites, video games, and anything that has to do with code. And then last but not least, we have Fable 5, which is the best model out there right now. And it can do tasks for a super long time, like for example, going through a YouTube channel's entire video log, getting all the transcripts, and analyzing everything about that YouTube channel. And obviously Fable 5 is the best at coding, so you can have it create full-on applications that used to take a huge team and 6 months to create. It can do it in just a couple of days. So other than chat, Cowork, and code, on the top left side right here, you'll have your new chat, which allows you to start a new conversation, your projects, which will store all the projects that you've been working on recently, your artifacts, which will store all the artifacts you created throughout your chats, scheduled tasks, which allows you to automate anything that you want Claude to do in a repetitive manner. So let's say, for example, read my email once at 9 a.m. every day and give me feedback on what I need to look out for the rest of the day. And in order to create that new task, you just click new task right here and create with Claude, and you can tell it what you want it to do. Then we have dispatch right here, which basically allows you to control the computer version of Claude straight from your phone. And you have your customized tab right here in order to add these skills, connectors, and plugins. So in order to use Cowork, you want to click the Cowork button right here, open up a new project. We'll call this Cowork demo. And another trick that I recommend when using AI is actually talking to it. So you could either use Whisperflow or just click the microphone button while you're chatting. The goal of this project is to showcase the abilities of Cowork. Then we'll click create project. And right now we can say showcase all the capabilities of Claude Cowork. We are in a project right now. So once we are working in Cowork, you have your chat box right here, and then you have manually approve, automatically approve, or skip all. So this basically means that if Claude is trying to do something that might be a little bit dangerous or that you might want to oversee the work that it's doing, you can either have it ask you for permission in order to do stuff, or you can click automatically approve and Claude will just make the decision if this is the right thing to do or the wrong thing to do. I typically leave mine on automatically approve, so we'll just click that. So as you can see in Claude Cowork, it can build you a full PowerPoint. It can also create live artifacts like this one right here. It's a little math game that I created just to show an example. So 13 minus 11, 2, and then you get a fuel point. Yeah, you can make this in order to teach your kids some math. And obviously you can make these artifacts for anything you're doing at work, like presentations and showcasing different products. Now on to connectors. So connectors are an extremely useful tool for Claude, which basically means that you can connect Claude into any external service. So in order to add connectors, you want to go right here to the Customize tab, and then you have your skills, connectors, and plugins right here. So skills are basically files with instructions that help you complete a specific task. So let's say I want to use the morning skill that Claude has. Basically, this is a file that gives Claude the instructions on how to execute this task. So give me a second, I'll show you what it does. Now, before that, on the connector side of things right here, we can connect a ton of different services. And if we want to add more services, we'll just click the add button right here, browse connectors, and you can connect your Gmail, your Slack, your Google Calendar, which basically allows you to ask Claude questions about everything that is inside those apps. So for example, for my Google Drive, if I wanted to ask Claude to find me a specific file and send it to me, I can ask it to go through my Google Drive, find that file, and send it back to me on the chat. And lastly, on the customization side, we have our plugins right here, which is a set of different capabilities, either from Anthropic or their partners, that allow your Claude to actually do a lot more things than just the typical chat. So for example, we have legal and design. So for legal, I can have Claude review some contracts and give me feedback on them. And for design, I could have it design a bunch of different web pages and things like that. Now, before we move on to the next step, let me actually show you how that works. So run the morning skill. And as you can see, Claude used the skill, and you can just refer to it as the morning skill, obviously, because that's what we named it. And you can also create your own skills. So anytime you want Claude to do a task that is repeated over and over again, you can create a skill file. Claude will know how to do that for you. So I just say create a skill for doing XYZ. It'll make a file for you, and then you'll be able to do that thing over and over again whenever you need to. So while that skill is running, I used the legal plugin in order to review a contract, and Claude gave me a really good insight on things I should watch out for, things I should change, things I should question, and maybe bring up in the next meeting. So as you can see, when I was running the morning skill, Claude didn't have some connectors that it wanted to use in order to give me the information that I requested. So it just prompts you. So that's another trick that Claude can do. It can prompt the user rather than you prompting Claude. So what I like to typically do is have Claude ask me a bunch of questions after I send in a prompt. So I could send in a super long prompt describing a problem that I have, and then I say, ask me questions in order to get clarification on what I'm trying to have you do. So as you can see, Claude ran the morning skill and gave me a full breakdown of what I should be paying attention to today and what I should be doing. Now, let's say I recorded a video and I want to send it to my editor. I could have Claude pull out the file from Google Drive and send it to me so I could forward it to the editor. So let's click the microphone button right here. We'll say allow, get the most recent video in the Omniverse folder on my Google Drive. Let me know what the name is and give me the share link as well. We'll click send and we'll let it work. And in the meantime, while it's pulling that, as you can see, it recognizes that we want things from Google Drive. So it highlights the connector that it will use. It's searching for the tools that it needs, and then it will search for our video. Now, one of the best things about Claude is that it can create landing pages. So let's say I want to create a website that includes all the skills that I've been talking about in this video. I can just press the microphone button and say, create a super simple, clean, high class, and easily digestible landing page that includes 20 different ways to use Claude. And then we'll click send, and we have Cowork working on our website. So this is one of the features that I was talking about earlier, where Claude can ask you questions, and if it needs to clarify something, it will ask you questions on its own. You sometimes don't even need to ask it to ask you questions. So it's asking me who the landing page is for. So I will say the viewers of a video that I'm recording right now. The video is about how to use Claude Code so well that it feels illegal. We'll click enter, and now it's asking me what visual directions it should have. So we'll say Claude branded, because why not? Now, another thing I like to use Claude for is to actually create videos. So Claude doesn't have a native video model within it, but it can use outside tools in order to create these videos. So the one I like is HeyGen HyperFrames. So again, all you have to do is go to your connectors, browse connectors, and look up HyperFrames. We'll click right here. Obviously, you'll connect it. And once HyperFrames is connected, you can talk to Claude and tell it to use HyperFrames in order to make you a specific video. So all you need to do is describe that video and try to give Claude as much context as possible. And here is the most recent video I made with it.
Can I tell you the worst feeling in tech? It's watching someone else launch the app you thought of a year ago. You weren't missing talent. You were missing a deadline. AI Mastery Studio gives you one. 7 days, a step a day. Live help when you're stuck, and a room full of people building right next to you. Day 7, your app is live. You send the link, someone actually uses it. That feeling is the whole point. You've seen the free tutorials, over 300,000 views. The studio is where the watching stops. $97 a month founding price. It goes up. Founders never will. Your idea already waited a year. Give it 7 days.
So yeah, that was the first run on one of the videos that I made with Claude, and you can make different videos for whatever you're doing as well. So let's go back and see what website Claude created for us. So here is the 20 ways to use Claude so well that it feels illegal. So the complete list from the video, every workflow, everyday wins to full-blown automation, steal them all. So obviously the stuff that's written down in here isn't exactly what I'm teaching in the video, but the best thing about Claude is all you have to do is just write a message and tell it to change the text on the screen, and it will do everything for you. Another tip that I recommend every time you get stuck with something, if you have a problem, just ask Claude. But anyways, the site is beautifully designed, very easy to read, has a ton of different tips that you can use in order to learn about Claude and use it for your benefit. And it even has a open Claude button right here, which links to Claude AI. Now, after we finish making all the changes to our website, we can deploy it to the internet for everyone to see using a service like Bluehost. By the way, since you guys are all into AI, if you look at the description below, we'll include some super helpful links for you. We have a free school community called AI OS, where we send new templates, updates, and guides every single day. We also included links to some of our favorite tools, such as Bluehost VPS, the most affordable VPS if you want to host your websites or automations. We also have links to Wix AI Website Builder and GoHighLevel. HyperFrames is the tool we use to run multiple 7-figure businesses. And when you sign up for the 30-day free trial, it's the exact stuff we use, and we're just giving it away for free so you guys could use it in your own business. So yeah, hopefully these resources help you guys out. So we fully covered Claude Chat and Claude Cowork, but if you want to learn about Claude Code, we made an extremely detailed video that we'll link down below. So click the link, give it a watch, and it will completely change the way you think about Claude. But yeah, as you can see, there are so many cool ways to use Claude to enhance your life. And as weird as it may sound, when using Claude, you can just treat it as if it was the most capable person in the world. Think of it as someone that knows literally any skill or information and is willing to use it as long as it's prompted correctly. Think of it as an employee that you pay $1 million a year. You'd expect a lot from it, right? So just like that employee, Claude is able to deliver. Now, most people take it for granted and they hear AI this, Claude that, and they don't actually know how you could use it. So hopefully this video can encourage you to use it a lot, because the more you use it, the more you learn, the more efficient and productive your life becomes. And that's what Claude is really all about. It's like having the smartest employee working for you 24/7, because it can really do anything you want it to. But yeah, I hope the video was valuable, and I definitely recommend downloading the Claude app both on your phone and your computer. And whether you're on the free or paid plan, just test it out and try to do cool things. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. So if you got any value from this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment what you want to see next, and if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. We do a ton of videos that teach you guys how to live the best financially free life through business and tech. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.